No, I think it's better than the last show we did.
Yeah, I think so too.
Or the whole time.
I feel like, you know, when people hear about a cooking class, they're like, cooking? Like, I don't need to know how to do that because I can figure that out all by myself. And then they actually like go out and then they're like, oh, hey, I don't actually know how to do this. And I really wish I did take that cooking class when I was in high school, because now I don't know how to cook this.
You know, long ago I had a chef tell me that he could teach me a lot of things, but the thing that would make me successful in my life was how well I got along with others. And I think that we're learning that every day right here. We're reminding ourselves that your ability to get along with others really decides your career in many ways.
I think for me, what I want to do is I want to be a chef, cook of some sort, if you will. And I think it would be really cool to just be a chef, learn how to cook a whole bunch of different kinds of foods.
They make it a lot of fun. It's not an unenjoyable activity. Coming in and hanging out with these students is great.
I feel like it's bigger than that for me, to kind of show my parents that, you know, being a cook isn't just like making food for other people. It's kind of like an art is a good way to describe it. I am going to the Institute of Culinary Education because I wanted a good school that would teach me a lot about other things. I'm gonna get my diploma in culinary arts, and then I'm going back after that for restaurant and hospitality.
Being successful at anything breeds success in life. I think that the idea that you can come in here in a safe environment, work together to collaboratively produce a thing which is helpful for you and for your friends, and broadly speaking have success, all of those things have a positive impact on the students.
Like I said, when I got into the class, I was obviously like complaining about it a lot because I'm like, this is gonna be boring. No, actually, I feel like it's taught me way more than I think it has. I feel like I refuse to believe it, but I know that it's taught me way more than I think.